So I accidentally broke Gentoo Linux. Oops. Well, okay, not the whole of Gentoo. I just broke the live GUI. Let me show you. So as you can see, the live GUI, which boots straight into KDE, is missing one small detail that's, you know, not that important, but the KDE part's not loading.
Is there anyone there?
Yes, what do you see?
Iceberg, right ahead!
Thank you.
Let me explain how we got here. So on the 30th of August, I get this bug. Latest live GUI does not boot to GUI. Reported here by BD Forbes. Latest live GUI image with a timestamp of 2024 0825 doesn't boot into KDE, just drops into the command line. Trying to start X manually shows some errors about unable to connect to the X server. I see errors from xinitRC, like xterm command not found, x command clock command not found, etc. An earlier build of 0714 is fine. Something must have broken in the latest build. So obviously, I go straight to work. I confirm that the bug is true and set it right here. I then do a stupid thing and accidentally mark this one closed rather than the other bug I was working in before I saw it. But you know, let's talk about something else, not the stupidity of Immo. That led me on a path of discovery. What happened? Where did it break? So like all good testers, I have a system set up which is as close to production as physically possible. So I quickly built a very clean source file and let's run that now. We can see here that my test ISO.
What?
So we can see here my test ISO working fine. Huh? So obviously thought something dodgy's going on. Let's ask Reeling to rebuild it. Did that. And no. So what do we do next? Well, so the first thing to do is we need to start checksumming. So let's fire up the broken ISO. We can use rhash here to create a checksum of every single file. Try and rule out what's gone wrong, what's broken, you know. So we'll let that run. And then let's do the same on our other ISO. Now, we don't want to be loading up X, so let's type in here no X, and that will stop X loading and drop us to the console like before. Hang on a minute. Have you seen the difference that oh no. Oh no. At this point I realised I've fucked up. So in the live GUI we actually disable DRM support, as you can see in this commit here. It tells Catalyst to build the kernel with a special config which has DRM disabled. What I didn't think of, and I wasn't going to pick up on any of my tests because I'm stupid mainly, is we use shared bin packages between the two setups, so that's the live GUI and the install CD. So because the install CD built first, the live GUI is using the bin package from the install CD without DRM, hence why it won't load. Bugger. So yeah, that's the story of how I broke Gentoo. Well, at least how I broke Gentoo's live GUI for about 2 weeks. I'm very sorry. Yeah. Now you're probably wondering, why am I telling you this story? Well, it's just a little lesson, isn't it, in stopping and thinking how a small change can actually have a big impact on a whole system in production. And maybe you should just be testing a few more things than you were before. But yeah, keep compiling, folks, and please don't break a distribution like some idiot you watch on YouTube. Cheers guys, catch you on the next one. I make funny Gentoo videos while also teaching you how to use it properly. If you want to help support me, then visit my Patreon at patreon.com/immolo157. If not, just like and subscribe please, as it really helps with the algorithm.